Welcome back, book enthusiasts, to another exciting edition on Ahuja Online Bookshop. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of programming with the Quantum Series Python Programming 2024 edition. Specifically tailored for AKTU B.Tech students in Semester 3 and 4 across all branches, this book is a game-changer in the realm of computer science education. Blue Book. What makes this book special? Cutting-edge content. Explore the latest advancements in Python programming, specifically curated for the tech-savvy minds of AKTU students. Comprehensive coverage. From basic concepts to advanced techniques, this book covers everything you need to ace your semester exams and beyond. Practical examples. Dive deep into practical examples and real-world applications, ensuring you grasp the concepts with ease. BCC302 and BCC402 compatibility. Aligned with AKTU's curriculum for B.Tech Semester 3 and 4, this book is your ultimate companion throughout your academic journey. Magnifying glass tilted left inside the book. Introduction to Quantum Programming. Python Fundamentals and Syntax. Data Structures and Algorithms. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, Concepts. Application Development with Python. Advanced Topics in Python Programming. And much more. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting your coding journey, this book caters to learners of all levels. So, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow AKTU comrades. Stay tuned for more exciting book reviews and educational content from Ahuja Online Bookshop. Happy reading, and until next time, keep exploring the world of knowledge. Rocket Books. You can find these invaluable books at Ahuja Online Bookshop, conveniently located near Grameen Bank Rumakanpur Nagar.